Now, how to convert ethanol to, I'll do the second one later after I do carboxylic acid chapter part. Ethanol to 3-hydroxy butanal. This is question number 12.15, subdivision 3. Okay. So what is the, see, whenever you have any conversion, first write down the structure of the starting and the end reactant and the product. Okay. And in this question, all the conversions are something to something. Okay. So that means left side one only will be the starting material, the right side will be the end. But if they say from the right side one, see if they say ethanol from ethanol. Okay, so this will be the starting material. If they say if these two compounds are separated by from, then you have to start from the right one. If they say to, start from the left one. So read the question properly before you start answering. So ethanol, CH3CH2OH. Okay. What is the right side one? 3-hydroxybutanal. How will you write? 4 carbons. At 3 position hydroxy. Butanal. Is it not an aldol? Okay. Is it not an aldol? Because the same compound, same structure, if you have both aldehyde and alcohol, it is aldol. And we know that we can get aldol from aldol having 4 carbons from ethanol only. But you are given ethanol. So first oxidize ethanol to ethanol. How will you oxidize ethanol to ethanol? Anyone? What reagent you will use to oxidize ethanol to ethanol? Ethanol. I want an answer. What reagent you will use to oxidize ethanol to ethanol? Quick.
CrO3, ma'am.
Good. CrO3. So this part alone will become aldehyde. Right? So how will you convert ethanol to 3-hydroxybutanol? Tell me the reagent first. What is the name of the reaction? It's a name reaction, and what reagent you use? Yes. Ethanol to 3-hydroxybutanol. How will you convert? It's just one step conversion.
Condensation, and the reagent is dilute NaOH.
Very good. So aldol condensation, it happens between 2 molecules of aldehyde. For every 2 molecules of the same aldehyde, because 1 mole of ethanol, if you are oxidizing, or any number of moles, many number of ethanol molecules will be formed. No? So 2 molecules will condense together. Condense means joining together in the presence of dilute base to form this aldol. And how it happens and all, you need not show here because we already learned. Okay, just if you can remember properly, this H from here gets shifted over here, new bonds formed between this and this. We will be writing it side by side and writing the aldol, no? So the aldol is the product. Clear? So that is how we do this conversion. Copy down fast.